What's going on, everyone from the Cleveland universe? It's your boy, the clone from Cleveland, and this is part 4, the aftermath. Hot as hell. And right now, I'm about to go see my boys, if they're up, and nothing much. Well, I'm gonna walk to my job, but I'm not in uniform, like you see right now. And yeah. You can tell I'm not in uniform. Hey.
He said he hasn't been feeling good.
Oh.
So it's not a good idea.
You wanna go, man?
Brett is
You want my shades?
Hold on.
This is one of my boys. Hey, no showing fucking shit like that. Well, I'm a hypocrite because I start cursing all the time. Yeah, so one of my boys is under the weather, and this one is just life. Exactly.
It is life.
No, it ain't. My life is different. So yeah, so I don't know if they want to go, but I'm gonna go get some shakes and not much. So I'll catch you guys when I teleport over there. Yeah. All right, guys. Looks like I'm rolling solo today. Yeah. So I'm gonna roll in solo. My boys are. One of them is going to a doctor's appointment, and one of them is, I think he's like exhausted because he works somewhere. Like he's extremely exhausted, so he's not in any way, shape, or form to work or go anywhere. So yeah. So right now, this is the aftermath. This is part 4. The aftermath, nothing. It's just as cloudy and hot as hell. So right now I'm just gonna be walking to my job and get a shake, because right now the boy wants a shake. Pray for a shake. Hey, your horn works, no one cares. So yeah. But yesterday, I'm still gonna bring it up. Yesterday I am still mad because I lost a lot of audio and footage because this little stupid shit right here made me lose 50% of my audio. Not my recording, but audio. Because this only works by taking pictures, nothing more. So yeah. Now is technically sunny Florida, but it's gonna rain again in a couple hours. Yeah, it's gonna rain. And there's a nice Mustang over there. So yeah, it's gonna rain, but I'm walking. And here in Florida, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Here in Florida, you're gonna need 2 things: a car or a car. Those are the only 2 things. If you don't got a car, no, scratch that. You need a car, a bike, anything with wheels. If you don't got anything with wheels, then everything is really far from here. Like if you live in the cities, you got a steering problem, man. If you live in the cities, then you know everything is close. But in Florida, everything is like extremely far. So if you don't have a car or anything besides walking, you're on Schitt's Creek, my friend. So yeah, and a bunch of people I think a lot of people got a staring problem today. You don't see someone with a freaking stick and just talking towards it. So yeah, right now I'm about to go to work. Not to work, but you know what I mean. Get something from my job and get some get something to drink. Until then, montage moment. Woo! So yeah, guys, I'm not even joking. That montage is over, but yeah, if you don't have a car here, you're shit out of luck because of one thing. Everything you want to go to, doesn't matter where you're from. And if you're from Florida, you understand this. If you want to go to the beach, it takes a couple hours to get there. If you want to go anywhere in Florida, you really need a set of wheels. So right now, I'm like a couple minutes away from my job, but yeah, it's no joke. These heat waves over here too, you don't want to. I know there's some people that will say, oh, there's places, other states or other places that are hot. I'm from Cleveland. I'm not a Floridian. I am from Cleveland. The heat actually bugs me. The heat actually does bug me when I literally go from point A, which is where my HQ is, all the way to point B where I work. So if your state is hotter than Florida, I commend you and everything, but I'm not from Florida. It is too damn hot, but I'd rather get out of the house right now because I don't work today or tomorrow, but I want to do something today. And I had to do something today because this is literally part 4 of Hurricane Unchained, and I really thought the hurricane was gonna plow through. No, like the last video, from the last video, we got broadsided. We didn't even get hit. We didn't even got scratched. Only a piece of the beaches got scratched. Nowhere near Central Florida, nowhere near anywhere in Central Florida, we didn't got hit for nothing. So yeah, right now I'm about to go hit up the light and then go straight to work to get something to drink. So right now, another short montage. Let's go. Ah, dang it, it didn't work. Try it one more time. Let's go. All right, guys, we're nearly there to our destination. And right now, I'll tell you right now, a shake feels nice right about now. Thank God. I'm going to get some ice cream. The wild beast, the white horse of the Mustang. It's a horse. They're not Mustangs, they are horses. I know Mustangs are horses, but the Dodge Mustang, not the Dodge Mustang, the Ford Mustangs. I don't call them by Mustang. I call them by the horse, the color of the horse. You'd be surprised. I'd say, oh, that's a green horse. There's an orange horse. There's a red horse. There's a black horse, white horse. Ooh. If you can see right now, there's a classic mafia car all the way over there. If I'm lucky enough, I'll take you guys back to Old Town and show you all the old stuff they got there. That's in the name, Old Town. But yeah, right now I'm about to go. I'm a couple blocks away no more montages. I'm just gonna talk to the grand space of the universe right now. So earlier, while I was walking, I didn't record it, but I was walking, some dude, probably on his phone, I don't know what car he drove, but I really don't care. I was already at the sidewalk when it happened, and people honking the horn like they roam the streets. No one cares. Literally hit the brakes in the last minute, and I'm like, that's some great driving. And this dude's planning to reverse, and I'm like, dude, really? In my mind, I'm just saying, dude, really? Really? But other than that, some people over here just don't know how to drive. They don't know when to let go of their phones. They don't know when to let go of anything. And then when they least expect it, they want to blame it on you. Hup. And right now, it's like what? And over here, there's this drag cars. My dude, you're driving a Honda. Nothing special. Yeah, over here is predominantly Hondas, Toyotas, Nissans, Mustangs, all of that nature. Mostly you see more Hondas than anything else. And people think they're from Fast and Furious or something. I don't know why, but it's kind of funny when they keep repping their engines for no reason. When you have a Honda and it's meant for, and it has speed in it, not meant for, but if it had speed in it, and it has the loud torque to go with it, I respect that. But when it's just all kazoo, no speed, just and you're literally right here and trying to act like you're fast, your car, not too bueno. I'll tell you that for damn sure. So, alright guys, I'm about to get some ice cream, and not much. I'm gonna let you tag along right now into life without working. So yeah, right now, I'm not gonna record right here, but I'll probably record when I'm gonna get like something, because there's a long ass line right there, and ready for the horizon. Let's go. All right guys, I already got my stuff. I'm gonna get my shake real soon, but right now business is still a little booming, even on a Monday. I'm surprised. And right now, I don't know. I do not know. The sun's beating, and I need to put on my shades because the sun is right on top of me, beating ever so peacefully onto my noggin. Good thing I'm wearing my hat. Yes, I wasn't joking. I am Chief Wahoo. So I'll give you a little side show. I really train the newbie. Yeah, more and more we get new people every single day. So yeah, so I'm gonna do a 360 spin out, not in this camera angle, but the other camera angle. A 360 spin out of how the cone is. So yeah. Yeah guys, I really don't come to work to get something, but if I do, it's once in like in a full moon or so not a lot. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting for the shake. I want to see the newbie, how he makes it. and nothing much. I'll see you guys when I walk back. I'm gonna stop at 7-Eleven to get like water or something, just something to drink too. Nothing sugary. So I'll see you guys. All right, my shades are on. All right, guys. What I normally get is this. And what's this, you may ask? It is a cookie dough marshmallow shake. I usually get a large, but today I don't want to be more jittery than I am right now. So I call it the wake-up call. Let me stay in the shade for a little bit. Yeah. Whew. And what is the wake up? How do you make it? It's really simple. You need cookie dough and marshmallow, well, paste. Not marshmallow like the marshmallow, small mini marshmallows or the big marshmallows. No, you need the jam version, the paste version. And what do? You grab the biggest, not the biggest spoon, but one big silver spoon. Drop it in there. Put a pinch of cookie dough. The cookie dough we use is those little marble style cookie doughs that you can put on treats, but if you're gonna get cookie dough, cut a piece of it, put it in the blender, add vanilla or whatever flavor ice cream you like, blend it how you wish to like it, and then bottoms up. And that's how you, my friends, it's how you make a wake-up call. So right now I'm about to go hit up 7-Eleven, get water, because I wanted a little bit of sugar. But yeah, this is part 4, and I hope you enjoyed number 3, because I was ranting because I lost all the footage. So yeah, a beautiful day, because every time a storm hits Florida, doesn't matter how big or how small it is, it always leaves a very strong heat wave. But it is August and hurricane season ends in October or November, I don't remember. But yeah, we are going to be cooked for the next couple of days. So so yeah, I'm gonna be walking all day. So I'll see you guys, because 7-Eleven is across the street right now. So I'm gonna see you guys when I go to get some water. So hey guys, right now I just got some tacos and a water bottle. I wasn't joking about getting something to eat and drink. Dang it. Sorry guys. Holy shit. Not to scare anyone, but there is an accident the size of fucking Texas. I'm just bullshitting. But there is an accident, and that's a nice ass Jeep. I don't care what people say, truck Jeeps are the king. The Jeeps that are trucks are kings. And I usually take this sidewalk to go back home. And that's what precisely I'm gonna do. So yeah, there is an accident over there. I'm not gonna show you guys, but there is an accident. I don't know how big it is, but it's Florida. It's Pleasant Hill, no less. So that's why there's a lot of accidents here. Because this is a highway, see? This is the main highway. So right now, I'm gonna try to get home and avoid any conflict. So I'll see you guys when you see me cross to the other side to go back home. All right, guys, the madness is over, and I'm about to walk home. My leg. And right now, I'm gonna be going home, editing all the nightmares I have to do, and post them on YouTube. So I'll see you guys on the next one, because this is part 4 of Hurricane Unchained. But right now, there's really nothing to do today, because your boy doesn't work for 2 days. And right now, I'm getting tired. So, I always say, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos and what's gonna come up in the future. Follow me on my other social medias for you can know what's gonna happen during the future. And follow me on my TikTok, my Snapchat, or anything in between. I'm gonna put my, not a link, but an ad for, not my ad, but my username, not my fingers, my usernames for all of my social medias out there. For you guys can follow me on my other social medias. You don't have to see me on one location. And as always, may the force be with you always, young Padawans. Catch ya. Woo!